trust, but it burned me slowly. I didn't know what I was looking for till I found her. I found her. For many miles, trying to find love from a woman that could love me and never leave my side. And I've run for many miles, trying to get away from the things I'm afraid of and everything inside. We say that we're already done, but what does that even mean? You tell me to open my eyes, that God, it was just a dream.